All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video. I'm hoping everyone out there that's watching this video is able to purchase or at least try the new slip joint pliers and the slip joint needle nose pliers. So Snap-on calls them the Talon Grip. You got the needle nose that just came out and the pliers that's been out for a few months now. So both of these are priced around 60 bucks. Let me know down in the comments if you own a pair. You don't have to have both of them, but maybe if you just got one of them. Let me know why you bought it, how long you've had them, and how many times you've used them so far. Just let me know down in the comments. Me, I've had the pliers, I don't know, about 3 months. I've maybe used them 3 or 4 times. And I just got the needle nose a few weeks back. I've used them twice. And right now, these are 2 must-haves from Snap-on. So you got the model number of the Talon Grip pliers. So the model number is 137ACF. And these are called the combination Talon Grip heavy duty slip joint pliers. Next to it we have LN47ACF Talon Grip long nose needle nose pliers, and both in red. So in the July flyer, they had a breakdown. They had a few bullet points of the needle nose. It says better access in tight spaces, extreme gripping strength, and the versatility of 3 jaw positions. It's our most involved pliers yet. It says the tips are precision machine. Talon Grip grabs, hold, and won't let go. Patented 3-position slip joint enables pliers to firmly grasp objects big and small in its clutches. Slip joint moves handles to optimal position for a more comfortable and inhumanely strong grip. So I'm gonna assume that the US 8051749 is the patent number. Guys, if you got a chance to look that patent number up, let me know what it says down in the comments. But again, these 2 items from Snap-on, they're a hard commodity right now. Seeing them all over social media, a few Instagram posts, Facebook posts, a few TikToks. So let me know what you think about them down in the comments, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Charles Tech Life. We out.